In front of me is LENOVO Tab P11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Now click on this icon at the top right corner of it and tap on a second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way to the right or to the left and hit home button, or swipe both in the background, like that. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!